Hi, my stock investors. Welcome to Glory Investing Show. Today we will talk about one hot stock on the market. But before we start, I would ask you to please smash that like button so we can turn blue and subscribe to channel. 86% of viewers are not subscribed, so please be one of those 14%. A lot of people around me are using this app and buying this stock, DraftKings, ticker symbol DKNG. If I had never heard about the company, they are a sports betting operator. Nothing new that we didn't have on market before. Since the daily fantasy sports platform launched in 2012, DraftKings has grown and grown fast. Now it offers an immense sports entertainment experience across 15 distinct sports categories. In 8 countries since 2012 and 100,000 registered users, they worked their way out to 12 million users in 2019. Sport betting is representing 16% of $456 billion market in the world. Here is huge potential, but also some good competition outside the U.S. that the DraftKings will face. The U.S. online sports betting market is estimated to be $18 to $23 billion. 14 states have legalized online sports betting, representing 24% of the U.S. population. DraftKings is live in 12 states. If other states legalize sports betting in some form, numbers would definitely work out better for DraftKings. Here is that huge potential for revenue that all investors are waiting to see. Let me know down in comments, what do you think about DraftKings? Do you use their app? Do you approve sports betting or not? DraftKings brand awareness and audience targeting is so good. DraftKings working on their new casino app, 310 plus slot games, 15 plus live dealer games, and 35 plus table games. Also, they were spending more than $210 million on ads, and it's paying off. Finally, their marketing costs went down in this year significantly. Bad NFL results cost DraftKings around $15 million in Q3, but the company still enjoyed a record quarter. According to preliminary figures filed today in a prospectus accompanying a stock offering, DraftKings predicted revenue of $131 to $133 million for Q3. At the time of recording this video, price of the stock is around $48. 52-week lowest is $9.85. Market cap is $17.36 billion. Last year, the stock went up 390%. But things are going better for DraftKings. Heavy second half sports calendar with NBA, NHL, and MLB regular season and playoffs, NFL season, and 5 golf and tennis majors should attract. As of September 14th, DraftKings signed multi-year agreement with ESPN to become a co-exclusive sports book link-out provider and exclusive daily fantasy sports provider on the media giant. Under the agreement, DraftKings will not be able to integrate its products and offerings across ESPN's digital platforms. That will give a lot of free exposure to their app. Legalization of sports betting is getting momentum in the U.S. People staying home because of pandemic and not spending money outside is definitely a plus for all apps that DraftKings provide to their customers. Sports, starting with their regular season, is a big deal, and this ESPN is huge for their potential new clients. If you still didn't smash the like button, please do that. Subscribe and check out our Instagram account. Link will be down below. Love you all. See you next week.